Is it supposed to burn?
Are you burning? Oh my god!
He's burning. What does that mean? That's glass.
Melissa, put it in his nose.
Shove it in his nose. No break.
It's going away right now. I can
Am I
see
supposed to
it.
go here?
No. I want that gray.
Ow.
It's gonna be
That looks
brown.
fake.
It's not gonna be black. It's gonna be brown.
But if you don't do his mustache, is that going to match?
Should you do this whole piece?
Yeah.
I would think you would do this whole face, the whole piece.
Yeah?
I would think, I don't know.
Make a blend?
That's my opinion, I don't know. It doesn't matter. We can shave it off.
Exactly. It'll grow back in like 2 days.
Great.
He's like, no, it took him a week.
I say we do his hair. We do his hair.
Nah. He likes the gray hair.
Whoa, I see it coming high over here. You doing your cheekbone?
It's from the blouse.
Just get a rag.